Good morning. It's August 18th, 2022, about 11:30 a.m. I am in the center of Lviv, and there are Russian damaged and confiscated armaments, trucks, and everything that are on display here. So I'm filming it so you can see. There's another very large piece of military equipment on tracks. I guess maybe it was something to do with shooting artillery. I don't know. There's another one that's completely burned out. Let's go to the front of it and have a look. The wheels and the treads are missing, bent, broken. Here's where they fire the missiles. Inside you can see closely, it's really burned out. The good old Russian army in ruins. As you can see, it's a beautiful day today, this morning in Lviv, in the square here where all these Russian tanks and armament are displayed. This, I assume, is a tank, yes. Wow, it's huge. Be brave like Ukraine.
Yes. It is very.
Wow, this brings a smile on my face to see such destruction of the Russian military, for sure.
Very strong and very. Well, our soldiers are very brave.
Yes, yes. You are Ukrainian, yes?
Yes, I live.
You live. If I film you, would you like to say something to the American people about Ukraine and the war and anything you'd like to say?
You are from United States?
New York.
New York?
Can you? Okay. So you can say anything you like. Your name, you don't have to give your whole name, your first name.
Our soldiers are very brave, and our people are very brave and strong and fight for freedom.
Yes.
You see how Russians kill
Yes.
our people.
Yes. Yes. Terrible, terrible. They come and invade your country for very lies, many lies about why they are here, about the Ukrainian people.
They kill our people and children and lies all the time. They lie. They all the time they lie, and they kill, fight against our Ukrainian people 100 years. because 100 years they fight
Discrimination against Ukrainians. Yes.
hundreds years.
Yes, yes.
And our people, Ukraine, fight many hundred years for their freedom.
Yes. Russia is based on lies. Putin is
Yes.
nothing but lies to
Yes.
get his agenda, to get people to believe that this war is legitimate, which is not true at all.
They are not, Russians are not good people.
No.
They believe,
There must be
Putin-
some Russians that are, because
no Russians. No Russians good. No. When the question is about Ukrainians, no Russians are good.
well, thank you for your interview. You've got a little emotional there, but I understand how you feel
Yes.
being living here in Lviv and being a Ukrainian citizen. So, thank you so much.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Not at all.
Okay. Can you tell me just your first name?
Oresia.
Oresia? Beautiful name. Thank you.
Oresia.
Let me shake your hand.
And your name is?
Andreas.
Andreas.
Or Andrew.
Or also good name.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good words to Ukrainians from New York.
Okay, thank you. They will appreciate it very much when they see the video. Bye-bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day. So, that interview was interesting and got rather emotional for the woman, but I can understand, and I think all of you that see this video will empathize with her, of course. So here we are. Happy, joy, joy. Destruction of Russian armaments and this massive tank. And here, I don't know what exactly it is. Maybe a troop carrier. Let's look inside and see how burned out it is. I bet soldiers were burned alive in there. Let's go around to this side. Hey there, little boy. I don't think you're supposed to be there. Be careful. So that's the turret and the gun. I guess it's not just a transport, it's another type of artillery on tracks. Trap door. I'm gonna stand back a minute so you can get a better view of the whole piece of junk. They say that these military weapons and these tanks and so forth are Soviet era armaments. They're not new. The report is that the Russian army is not as well equipped and up to speed as far as the armaments as was recently thought of. I'm trying to find any Russian tags or markings on any of these, but I don't see any, just some scratches other than the V. I can't see any Russian labels or anything here either. Okay, well, there's something there, Russian writing of some sort. 64s. I don't know. Anyhow, another beautiful day in paradise here in the central Lviv. Here's some of the fantastic old world buildings. Cafes. Another view of some of the historic buildings, the architecture. And this building here above us is town hall or city hall that I've been told. Anyhow, this is yours truly, Andreas, signing off. I have to get back on the train and go to my work. One thing before I go, the reason I'm here is because there was a news report that President Erdogan of Turkey, President Zelensky, and Antonio Guterres, the head of the UN, are to meet today in Lviv for a conference on, well, what else? The war, of course. I can't get any information. I asked several people, and not many, or no one really knows where they will meet. Maybe it's just kept very secret and private. There, where the red umbrellas is the Ukraine Media Center. So I walked in, but didn't see much going on in terms of media. So I'm gonna look around, walk some more, and see if I can get some info, because I would love to participate, or at least take some photos or video of them if it's possible, but it doesn't look likely. So anyway, bye-bye.